Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just another short tour of a plant room. So I'm in this plant room. It's a bit dark and dingy. Looks like the building is a couple hundred years old. So there's a pressurization unit down it. It's a microfill free. And then we've got the expansion vessel there. Little knock test. And then this quick fill seems to just want to hang itself out there. For some reason they haven't lagged all the pipework. Can you see this pipework here? Should be lagged. Gas pipe is clipped well and labelled as gas, which is good. What else do we see inside here? There looks like an outside tap, more older than me. Well, not an outside tap, but a tap here, which looks very old. Down here, there's a gas meter over there. Okay, secure. What else do we have here? I don't know why this valve is partially open, partially closed. I'm going to leave it that way. No lag in here on this pipework. Another 45-degree pipe. What else here? What else have we got inside here? They're using some cheap lagging in places. Like here, this is just basic lagging. They should use better lagging. What can I make out of this plant room? The colour of the floor, the ceiling, fire extinguishers there. Boiler doesn't have a thermal link, but that's okay. Above it, the rooms that I'm going to bring upstairs and put somewhere. Ventilation, they got some weird louver windows there. I don't know why that's in a plant room. There's some lag in there that could be used as well. Inside here, this door is an old door. It's very old. I imagine, yeah. Ventilation, well, it's a room sealed boiler, so it should have ventilation, but it's not as urgent as an open fluid appliance. What else? What else do you see in this picture? Any issues? It's got a Magna Clean on it. The boiler's got a nice big Magna Clean. The door is safe to escape. It's not one where you can lock yourself in. Is there asbestos in here? There must be asbestos in this old building, but I don't see any labels for asbestos in the walls and so on, but there must be. Okay, so it's used for storage, flammable material as such inside here. A few old programmers. What's this? Like an old programmer over there. Honeywell. I don't know what that was for before. Some sort of liner. Maybe there was a boiler here. I'm assuming there was maybe a boiler in this area or some sort of, maybe a flue was there, not sure. Got some old programmers here. Valent boiler, switch on, heating boiler, pump, some old switches. Do they work? Maybe they still work. The cables are running down to where? There. Coal for a barbecue over there, charcoal, should I say. All right. Okay, thank you for joining me. I don't know if I've missed anything. Worcester boiler. I've not really seen that Worcester boiler before. I'm not sure what model it is. Anything on the side? And the program I've used is a Honeywell ST9000C. Is that the right time? It might be slightly out. What have they got on here? It's all on constant and the heating is on auto. Okay. What have we here? Flue. We've got to check what Worcester is it? It's a Worcester Green Star 8000, what is it? 50C NG. Don't know how many kilowatts that is, but right, let's go around and just quickly look outside. The flue is pluming up there. It's clipped well, looks good. All right, nothing more to see here, I guess. All right, until next time, bye.